Have you ever heard of the king of salmon? A colossal creature weighing over 200 pounds. But surprisingly, it's not a popular catch. Why is such a rare and massive fish so often overlooked? Let's uncover the secrets behind this unique fish. The salmon, fresh out of the pond, needs to be processed immediately before it fully dozes off. First, the innards are removed. Then, all the fins are trimmed. This helps improve the flavor of the fish. Despite weighing in at 200 plus pounds. Due to its unique tissue structure, many would rather discard it than eat it. But not everyone feels that way. In Azerbaijan, they have their own special way of cooking it. And the key to that is the marinade. It's also a secret recipe for the locals. Several spices are mixed together in specific ratios. Mix well. Then, it's slathered all over the fish to make the fish tender, sweet, and fruity. Lemon is a must-have ingredient to add to the complexity. He'll throw in some dill and green onions. Even more surprisingly, pomegranates are also used as a side dish. This alternative approach elevates the dish to a whole new level. Just coat the entire fish with the secret marinade, and use some barbed wire to secure it, to prevent the fish from falling apart during the roasting process. While we wait, let's make a simple appetizer. Slice the onion into even rings. Squeeze a bit of pomegranate juice, and garnish with some pomegranate seeds. And just like that, our special appetizer is ready. Next is the main event. The marinated fish is hung on a metal rack, and covered completely with a custom-made metal barrel. Right after that, straw is piled all around. Not only does it help with the heat, but it also gives the roasted fish a unique smoky flavor. It just needs to slow cook for 5 hours on low heat, and you'll have a dish that's out of this world. The metal barrel is immediately opened. A rich, savory aroma fills the air. The golden brown fish is revealed. It's now tender and falling off the bone. No time to worry about burning your hands. A piece is quickly cut and placed on a plate. Onions and pomegranates are added to the table. Only the largest pieces can do justice to this dish. The fish is soft, sweet, and savory, and just melts in your mouth. And their traditional way of eating it is to combine it all. That was a truly unique and mouth-watering dish, right? If you found this video interesting, be sure to smash that like button and share it. And hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more unique food explorations from around the world. See you in the next video.